This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. Looking for investment home? This adorable starter home has been updated with new kitchen and bathroom. New floor throughout home, no carpet. Remodeled garages can be used as a workshop, storage area or for your car. You will also have within walking distance or 2 minutes drive a community park on 20 acres offering a skate park, spray ground, picnic pavilion and large playground. Hawn Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.